Today,
Hey, just started.
what I'm making today is oatmeal dog treats. My dog loves expensive oatmeal dog treats, and they just look like cooked oatmeal with, um, rolled up. So this is oatmeal. I made a total of 12.
I'm gonna show how my dog likes it. Smokey, treat.
I made.
He loves them. He loves them. Okay.
I made 12 servings. So I'm separately baking, just the peanut butter plain. Okay, he's not much of a fruit or veggie guy. He does not like dog treats with too much fruits and veggies. But I tried a couple craisins just to see if he likes to try it. Also, dogs love quinoa, especially if they are on a special diet. So Mackenzie, put some quinoa in there and we're going to mix it good. Do a half cranberry dog bar.
Wait, this is going to be a full dog bar?
We're going to cut them up in whatever pieces we like.
I'm going to keep them into little hearts for this little angel. If you have pets, they're also little angels. Or big angels. My dog's also a little small for his type of species.
Dogs definitely could have allergies, so I wouldn't say this is for every dog.
But most dogs can have it.
Well, there are also peanuts.
Yeah.
So dogs that already like, dog treats with peanut butter.
Treat.
Or oatmeal.
He is like very confused.
Try this.
He gets very confused with it.
So I'm gonna bake this, and Mackenzie, we did not add the butter. That was for our pancakes. We're gonna bake.
That is for pancakes.
We are gonna bake this, and we are gonna show what the result is. Okay.
By the way, in real life, it's like orange color, so yeah, it sort of shows it.
I think our dog loves it. Look.
I know
he really loves it.
He's only eating it out from my hand. Give me something.
He may not want cranberries.
He does not like cranberries. He's like, nope. You want a treat?
He may eat it baked. Yes, he is eating them.
He's sort of.
Sort of.
Ouch! You stepping in it. Treat. Treat. Here it is on my fingers. Treat! You want this treat? I'm gonna take out the cranberry so we'll eat more. What? You want me to show you?